I came into this thinking that I knew how to trade. I paid for other courses, other call out kind of teams or whatnot. And over the years, it's just I learned nothing from them. I learned nothing from them. And for individuals that are struggling and not doing as well as they would like to, I would say I'm not doing as well as I would like to necessarily, but I know every day when I'm a success, when I'm green, I did everything that coach taught me. And every day that I wasn't is because I went rogue lately anyway. Anyways. So I'm an early adopter of the lifetime membership. I'm really blessed that coach offered that. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Alex. So, Alex, how long have you been trading?
Probably for at least 2-3 years. So I didn't come into this thinking to myself that I was new until I met you, coach.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, that's humbling, man. Appreciate you.
Yep. Absolutely, man.
That's very.
I second that, coach. I second that.
Thank you, guys.